Engineers pre-design the container based on the quantity and volume of all goods, making full use of container space while also saving customers on shipping costs. Arrange the placement according to the characteristics of the goods to ensure safety during loading and minimize collision damage during transportation. Engineers and technicians will be fully involved in the shipment and packing process. Before shipping, verify the quantity of goods, the integrity of the packaging, and the seal numbers. Also consider the characteristics of different goods, their protection requirements, and precautions during transportation. The placement of all materials and their status before shipment will be recorded without any omissions.